I now request our chairperson, Ms. Rekha Lahoti, to give her welcome address.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am so happy to see here so many gentlemen, which is a very rare occasion in FICCI Flow. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to FICCI Flow Women Achievers Award and Walk for a Cause, in aid of our CSR Educating the Girl Child and Women Empowerment Initiatives. This month of October is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and the whole city of Hyderabad has been lighted up with pink color, and we at Flow feel for this cause. Early detection of breast cancer can save many lives. To spread this message, we are glad to associate with Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation. This event of FICCI Flow, a women entrepreneurial organization, is an amalgamation of women achievers being honored, and our very own Flow members will be walking the ramp for a great cause. I would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to all the guests from the Flow fraternity who have gathered here today from different cities of India. I and my committee are delighted and honored to have the privilege of your presence, and the support is very encouraging to all of us. I would like to thank each one of you for contributing to this great cause. Now, I would like to greet and welcome our National President, Ms. Archana Garodia Gupta, past Presidents, Ms. Anjana Somani, Ms. Anjana Somani, Ms. Neena Malhotra, Ms. Kiran Ghera, Ms. Malvika Rai, and Ms. Kavita Dutt, Senior Vice President, Ms. Vinita Bimbet, National Treasurer, Ms. Anuja Narayan, Chapter Chairs, Ms. Rati Dhandania, and Ms. Varsha Talera, our governing body members, Ms. Archana Luthra, Ms. Jayanti Dalmia, and Ms. Ritu Jain, other members, Ms. Shilpi Arora and Nabila. I thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart. We are here to celebrate womanhood, women power, and women spirit. Today, the FICCI Flow Shakti Women Achievers Award is to be presented to 12 awardees in various categories. I feel like a dwarf amongst these stalwarts who will be adorning the stage soon for their great achievements. FICCI Flow and the city of Hyderabad is extremely proud of these great achievers and their accomplishments. A special word of appreciation for all our nationally and internationally known fashion designers who have come forward to work with Flow members, making them wear beautifully designed clothes to look gorgeous. They have worked very hard to create sheer magic on stage. I would like to deeply acknowledge the support given by sponsors, without whose help this event would not have been possible. I am proud of my team, executive committee members and members working in all the committee, and would deeply acknowledge the leaders who are heading these teams, mainly Kamini Saraf, Sumalata Chitti. Ladies and gentlemen, they deserve a big round of applause. Ms. Ritu Singh, Aparna Reddy, Sudha Ramani and Sangeeta Kosaru. This show would not have been possible without the team of 20 members who have been working day and night tirelessly to make this evening a reality. Past chairpersons for reposing so much faith in me. As Pandit Nehru said, to awaken the people, it is the women who needs to be awakened. Once she is on the moves, the family moves, the village moves, and the nation moves. Let's build synergies. Thank you so much.